Ready to ditch the dull and embrace a style that's as vibrant as you are? Discover 15 transformative layered Pixie Bob cuts that celebrate your gorgeous gray and ash blonde. 1. Feathered Pixie Bob. This style is ideal for women with finer hair, as the layers create the illusion of volume and movement. The perfect blend of ash blonde and gray tones provides a sophisticated and modern look. It's a great choice for those seeking comfort in their daily life due to its low-maintenance nature and easy styling. The short nape and longer side softly frame the facial features while defining them. The intense layering technique instantly adds a youthful energy to the hair. This model is perfect when seeking a great balance, especially if you prefer not to draw attention to the jawline or neck area. It is versatile. Only a small amount of styling product is needed to achieve volume. The richness of the natural gray and ash tones makes the hair color appear deeper and shinier. This cut is a must-try for active women who desire a current and effortless look. 2. Textured Shaggy Pixie Bob. This cut is designed for those who want to keep their hair modern and edgy with minimal styling effort. Disconnected, messy layers add a natural texture and airiness, revitalizing fine strands. This style suits square or heart-shaped faces that wish to emphasize their cheekbones. It's fantastic for thicker hair seeking more movement and body, as these layers remove bulk, providing a controllable texture. It is very low maintenance and looks best when slightly tousled. This cut is ideal for women who want to reflect their personality through their hairstyle. The varying lengths of the layers create a visual focal point and draw attention to the face. The gray and ash blonde colors make the texture more pronounced. This style is perfect for those who favor a non-traditional, casual chic look. 3. Tapered Nape Pixie Bob. Excellent for those wanting to make the neck area appear longer and more elegant. The short cut at the nape adds a modern and sharp contrast to the overall structure of the hair. This style works best on dense and straight hair, highlighting the clean lines of the cut, ideal for those seeking a sleek and professional appearance. It looks exceptionally neat and well-maintained from the back. The ash blonde and gray color transitions further enhance the geometric structure of the cut. A great choice for office settings or special events. The longer layers in the front offer different styling options, such as tucking them behind the ear. This structure tends to slenderize the face. It's a wonderful solution for women who desire a tidier silhouette with minimal fuss. 4. Layered Pixie Bob with Wispy Bangs. A fantastic way to gently conceal forehead wrinkles or balance a broad forehead. The thin, feathery bangs move in harmony with the layered structure of the cut. This style creates a rejuvenating effect and can be easily adapted to any face shape. It possesses a soft texture that emphasizes the hair's movement and lightness. The blend of gray and ash blonde tones further highlights this airy structure. It provides a fresh and awake look even on makeup-free days, and is simple to maintain. Bangs also provide a perfect frame for those who wear glasses. This cut is especially ideal for adding volume to fine hair. Softly blended layers give the hair a natural, effortless flow. 5. Asymmetrical Layered Pixie Bob. A perfect choice for women who want a bold statement and aren't afraid to draw attention. The asymmetrical cut sharply emphasizes the neck and jawline, adding a modern flair. The clean lines of the cut are more pronounced on straight and thick hair. This style has the power to create a focal point by highlighting only one side of the face. Intense layering balances the weight given by the asymmetry, adding movement to the hair. It often has a softening effect on those with more angular facial features. It's simple to style. It usually maintains its modern stance just by sweeping it to the sides. The gray and ash tones reinforce the sophisticated and contemporary nature of this cut. Ideal for those bored with classic styles seeking a fresh update. 6. Sect Back Pixie Bob A-line shape. The biggest benefit is that it instantly and permanently adds volume to the crown area. The stacked layers offer a striking and full look from the back. It is ideal for straight or slightly wavy hair. Tapering towards the hairline creates the illusion of length and elegance. This structure allows for a fantastic look with minimum morning styling. The contrast of the gray and ash blonde colors reveals the details of the stacked layers. It looks wonderful with outfits that show off the neck and shoulders. This cut is an essential solution for those looking to add strength and fullness to fine hair. Recommended for those who want to project a well-groomed and dynamic image. 7. Swept Away Pixie Bob Deep Side Part. A perfect technique to slenderize the face and create the illusion of a longer forehead. A deep side part instantly gives the hair a lift effect, which in turn creates a rejuvenating effect. It provides great movement even in wavy or curly hair. It stands out for its ability to add fullness even to less voluminous hair. The shine of the gray and ash tones glistens more over this broad surface. It is easy to style for daily use and offers a chic alternative for special occasions. Keeping the sides longer helps to balance the shape of the face. This style creates a focal point by only revealing one side of the face. It is ideal for women who want to present a confident and sophisticated demeanor. 8. Pixie Bob with Undercut Detail. One of the most modern ways to reduce bulk in dense and thick hair, allowing the top layered section to move more freely. It provides comfort in hot weather and offers a bold style detail. It can be completely hidden by the top layers if desired, ideal for those seeking a hidden touch of boldness. The top layers act as a cover even in formal settings. The short cut underneath makes the layered bob on top appear more distinct and voluminous. This cut maintains the volume at the crown while creating a cleaner, cooler feel at the nape. The modernity of the gray and ash blonde color perfectly aligns with the contemporary structure of this cut. 9. Soft Transition Pixie Bob Minimal Layers. This is a perfect starting point for those hesitant to cut their hair too short, but want to benefit from the bob's volume. Long layers preserve the overall length, but get rid of stiffness. It provides a full finish even on fine hair. It offers a clean, elegant, and well-groomed appearance. The soft tones of gray and ash blonde emphasize the fluidity of this minimally layered cut, suitable for those who prefer a classic style, but seek a modern touch. It is quite simple to style, usually yielding the best result with a straight blow-dry. This cut tends to slenderize round facial features, ideal for those who want to maintain their hair's volume and prefer less movement. 10. Voluminous Curly Pixie Bob, specifically designed for women with natural curls or waves, using precise layering to create a rounded, voluminous shape that keeps curls bouncy and defined. Layers prevent the curls from flattening. This voluminous style makes the face look younger and livelier. The gray and ash blonde tones catch the light in different layers of the curls, adding rich dimension. Curls can be defined with just a bit of moisturizing cream for daily life. It offers a low-maintenance and chic look. It is excellent for adding volume and balance, especially for those with a long and slender face shape. This cut is a wonderful choice for women who want to show off their personality and natural texture. 11. Long Layered Pixie Bob Lop. Great as a transitional style for those who are hesitant to cut their hair too short. Long layers add movement and elegance without weighing the hair down. This style adapts to almost any face shape, creating a soft frame. It allows for different styling options like a ponytail or bun. The richness of the gray and ash tones provides a multi-dimensional look in the long layers, ideal for those who love classic, long hair but seek a modern touch. It creates a slenderizing effect by utilizing the hair's length. It gives the best result on straight or slightly wavy hair. The layers flow smoothly, a great length for those who prefer to cover the neck area. 12. Face Framing Layered Pixie Bob, perfect for those who want to highlight their eyes and cheekbones. The face framing layers gently soften and define the facial features. This style instantly adds brightness and freshness to the face. It is ideal for balancing round facial features and providing a sharper appearance. The length of the layers can be adjusted according to the desired focal point. The bright tones of gray and ash blonde further enhance this framing. This cut focuses on movement around the face rather than volume at the crown. It is easy to style and gives the best result with a slight inward curl. Should be preferred for an elegant and focused look. 13. Pixie Bob with Graduated Layers. This cut is ideal for those who avoid exaggerated volume, but still want some fullness at the back. It elegantly exposes the neck with a soft transition. The clean lines of the cut stand out in straight and smooth hair. It combines the elegance of a classic bob with the lightness of layers. It's a low-maintenance style that always looks tidy. The shine of the gray and ash tones further revitalizes this sophisticated cut. This style is specifically used to add a sense of fullness to fine hair without adding weight. The length in the front softly frames the facial features. A great choice for women seeking a professional and timeless look. 14. High-lifted Pixie Bob Root Volume. Designed to instantly and impressively add volume to thin or flat hair, high-lifted roots generally provide a younger and more energetic appearance. This style can help balance round face shapes. Proper layer placement helps this volume remain durable throughout the day. The bright structure of the gray and ash blonde tones makes the voluminous texture more pronounced. Great results are achieved with hairsprays and root lifting products. This style is ideal for women who want to boldly showcase their personality and are not willing to compromise on volume. Although the maintenance routine requires a bit more effort, the result is worth it. 15. Pixie Bob with Contrast Layers Color Focus. This cut combines color expertise with cutting technique to create a striking visual impact. As the layers move, the contrasting colors underneath are revealed, adding incredible depth to the hair. It provides a thick and multidimensional appearance, perfect for those who want to add a modern and dynamic touch to classic gray and blonde tones. The contrast of the colors enhances the hair's texture and the cut's geometry. This style appeals to those seeking a lively and eye-catching look. This color play is fully revealed, especially when the layers separate during windy or active moments. Lighter tones can be used around the face to balance round facial features.